Okay, good morning, students. Today we'll be continuing with the previous topic, okay, which we have discussed. We were discussing in physiology theory what we were discussing. We were discussing about the nervous system, is it? So we have completed till interneurons. So today is like a revision class only on the topic of the brain. Okay, this brain, what it is, this brain, it is the center of our thoughts. Like whatever you think, okay, whatever you think, whatever like you want to do, you want to perform, the brain is the first, what to say, the first savior, your first thing, like who helps you in doing all the activities, all the works, whatever you want to do, you can do all those things. And in the brain, what do you see? You see that it consists of many parts. The first one is the cerebrum. Then the next is the diencephalon. In the diencephalon, you will be getting thalamus and hypothalamus, these two parts. Okay, the pineal gland is a different, it's a part of the gland, endocrine gland. And the next is what? The next is brainstem. Okay, so in the brainstem, you'll be getting what? You'll be getting brain, midbrain, sorry, this midbrain, then pons, then medulla oblongata, and at the last you'll be getting cerebellum. So these are the four parts of the brain. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you say now? Tell me the four parts of the brain. Wait, I'll ask someone. Okay, Ayushri Dev Barma, can you hear me? Ayushri? Ayushri Dev Barma, can you hear me? Yes, Ayushri, can you hear me? Okay, Aseng Modi. Aseng,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, can you tell me the four parts of the brain? Huh?
Or-
I said just now, just before few seconds ago.
Ma'am,
Huh?
ma'am, frontal lobe,
Not lobes, parts of the brain.
cerebellum,
Then,
cerebrum, brainstem,
hmm.
cerebellum,
Okay, and cerebrum, cerebellum, brainstem, and what? You missed out one. Huh? Can you see this? Aseng?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me.
Ma'am, I read.
Uh-huh. What is this? What is this? You read out. You read out a sign.
Ma'am, which one?
This one. Can you see it? I am pointing.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Tell me. Read out. Yes, you read out. Can you see or not? Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am, I can see.
Read out. This number 2 point.
Yes.
Huh? It's not visible or what? You are not reading out. Huh? Can you see or not? Okay, it's diencephalon. Okay, Ascend. Yes? Yes, Ascend. Hello. It's diencephalon. This one. Parts of the brain, this cerebrum, diencephalon, then brainstem, then cerebellum. So the diencephalon is divided into two parts. There is the hypothalamus and thalamus. And next is in the brainstem, it is divided into three parts. It is the midbrain, pons, and medulla oblongata. Okay, so this is the cerebrum. Okay, this is the cerebrum, and this cerebrum, you can find that it is the largest part of the brain. You can find that it is the largest part of the brain, and it has got two hemispheres. That is the left side and the right side. And this cerebrum, what does it do? They helps in interpreting touch, means knowing whatever like you touch it. Okay, and it also helps you in hearing, and also as well as for speaking out, and also as well as reasoning like what to say, like if you have done something, so like you'll be able to reason it for what you have done that thing, for what you have said that thing, so you will be able to reason it. And the next is emotions. You are able to control your emotions, and had happy time, sad time, okay, gloomy time. So this cerebrum helps you in that. Next is learning. You are able to learn something with the help of cerebrum. Next is fine control of movement, means you are able to control the physical activities which you are performing. Understand? Are you clear about cerebrum? Yes?
Um,
Okay. If it is clear, then if it is clear, then marbut. Could you hear me, marbut? Yes, marbut. Can you hear me? Yes, marbut. Okay, Mari Dev Barma. Can you hear me, Mari?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell me about cerebrum?
Ma'am, hello.
Yes, I can hear you.
Ma'am, what can you repeat again?
Can you tell me about cerebrum? This one, the first part. Yes, can you tell me, Mari?
Largest part of the brain.
Okay, and
Composed of left and right hemispheres.
okay. Anything else?
And it is located in the bony cerebellum.
Bony what?
Bony cerebellum.
Selenium. What is this
Yes, ma'am.
selenium? What is this selenium?
I don't know.
How comes you don't know? You are saying, but you don't know. How comes? Okay, anything else? Anything else, Mari? What does this cerebrum do? Yes? What does this selenium do? Oh, sorry, what does this cerebrum do?
Uh, Touch, hearing problem.
What touch hearing? What does it do?
I mean,
Means your the cerebrum will touch like that. Your brain will touch. Your brain will
no.
hear like this. Or how? How? Yes? Means you are able to touch something, you are able to hear something, you have a cerebrum. It's not it.
Yes, ma'am.
You say in that way, means touch, hear, what is that? This you be a little bit specific to your sentence, okay? You
Okay,
try to
ma'am.
be specific. Because if you just say touch, smell, all this like how will I know? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next is brainstem. Okay, so this is the brainstem. And the brainstem, what do you see the brainstem? They are at the center. They are at the center connecting in between what? Connecting in between the cerebrum and the cerebellum. They are at the center, you can say. It's meeting point in between the cerebrum and the cerebellum. And they also connect with the spinal cord. Okay, they also connect with your spinal cord. And what does this brainstem do? Your brainstem, they does automatic functions. Okay, automatic functions like what? Automatic functions like breathing, which you usually doesn't do like consciously. Okay, which happens automatically, naturally it just happens. So naturally, what does it happen? Like breathing, you can breathe, your heart is pumping your blood, and even your body temperature, even your sleep cycles, your digestion, sneezing, coughing, swallowing. So all these activities your brainstem does. Okay, your brainstem, it lies in between the cerebrum and your cerebellum. Okay, it lies in between the cerebrum and cerebellum. And the brainstem, it also connects to your spinal cord. And it does autonomic or else automatic functions such as you breathe, such also as well as your heart rate and your body temperature, your sleep cycles, your digestion, you sneeze, you cough, vomiting, swallowing, also all these activities, your brainstem controls it. Okay, so is it clear everyone about the brainstem? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Nyanu? Nyanu, can you hear me? Nyanu, can you hear me or not? हाँ न्यानू Raki, can you hear me? Raki?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you tell me about the brainstem?
Ma'am,
Brainstem?
what?
Brainstem.
Uh, brains.
Just before few seconds I explain.
Uh, brainstem is uh, the brainstem is the distal part of the brain
Is the what?
that is
Brainstem is the what part of the brain?
distal.
Distal, okay.
Distal that is made out of the midbrain.
That is made out of the midbrain.
Yes, ma'am.
Means what? I didn't understand. Means brainstem it consists of three parts. You are trying to say that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And
Uh, and each of the each components has its own unique structure and function.
okay, like
Uh, they help to breathe regular.
they help what? They help to
They help to reg, uh,
break. What do I say? Break
breathe,
or
breathe, breathe.
breathe. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. And
Yes. Yes, autonomic functions. You just say automatic functions. You say in that way. Okay, it will be easy. Okay,
okay, ma'am.
Faki.
Yes, ma'am.
Automatic functions like what? Breathing, digestion, your sleep cycle. All these are automatic. It's not it. Also known as
Okay, ma'am.
involuntary. Involuntary, you remember, no? Voluntary, involuntary. So all these are what? Involuntary. Okay, so you can say in that way also.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, next is cerebellum. Okay, diencephalon actually I've already explained to you in the endocrine system, so that's why we are not touching. So next is cerebellum. This cerebellum is located where? It is located under your cerebrum. So this is your cerebrum. Okay, and this cerebellum, it is located under your cerebrum. This one. And the function of and the function of this cerebellum sorry, and the function of the cerebellum is what? The function of the cerebellum is that they help you in coordination of your muscles. Means you are able to perform physical activities or physical things in sync. Okay, coordinately, unitedly, you are able to perform all the activities of which you are doing. Next is maintain posture. Okay, means you are able to maintain posture like what? Maybe sitting, standing, walking. So all these things you are able to perform it. And the next is balance. You are able to balance something. Maybe your the physical activities which you does, and maybe whatever you do, like you are able to balance it. So all these activities you are able to do because of what? Because of this cerebellum. The cerebellum helps you in that. So the cerebellum lies where? Inside under your cerebrum. So this is your cerebrum. So it lies under this, and this cerebellum helps you in what? They helps you in coordination of muscle movement. Like they helps you in coordinating the physical activities which you do, and they also helps you in maintaining body posture and also balancing. Okay, is it clear about cerebellum? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Prakriti, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Prakriti, can you tell me about cerebellum?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please say?
It is, it is located under the cerebrum.
Okay.
Its functions is to coordinate muscles,
Okay.
maintain posture and posture, maintain posture and balance,
Okay. Okay. Good.
and movements.
Okay. It's okay. Okay. I'll repeat once again. So this is a cerebellum. The cerebellum, it lies where? It lies under your cerebrum. So this is your cerebrum. It lies under this. It lies under the cerebrum. Okay, it means just below, just downside. And the function of the cerebellum is what? The function of the cerebellum is to coordinate muscles. Coordinate muscle means what? Means you are able to perform something. You are able to do the physical activities which you does. Okay, so all these activities you are able to perform because of this cerebellum. And they also helps you in what? They also helps you in maintaining body posture, such as sitting, standing, walking. So all this, whatever posture like you are able to do, that's all because of this cerebellum. And the last is balance. You are able to balance whatever you does. So all these activities are possible because of the help which you are getting from this cerebellum. Okay, is it clear, everyone? Are you clear
Yes,
about
ma'am.
the parts of the brain? Okay. Okay, next is the lobes of the brain. So you have four lobes. This is your brain. This is your cerebral hemisphere. Okay, so all these are the cerebral hemispheres. You remembered, no? So the cerebral hemispheres has got means it is divided into different lobes. So you will find there are four lobes. The first is the frontal lobe, this part front. Next is your parietal lobe, these two sides, two sides. Next is what? Occipital lobe. Occipital lobe, it lies here at your back. You have one occipital lobe, and temporal lobe you have two. One, two. So these are the four lobes of the brain. Okay, is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Rani. Rani, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Rani, can you tell me how many frontal lobes we have?
One, ma'am.
One. Okay, what
Yes,
about
ma'am.
parietal lobe?
It's two.
Two. Okay, temporal lobe, this one?
Temporal also two.
Okay, what about occipital?
Occipital one.
Okay. Okay, good. Okay, next we will move to the lobes of the brain. So the first one is the frontal lobe. Okay, so this is the frontal lobe. So in the frontal lobe, what is the function of the frontal lobe? The function of the frontal lobe is they maintain. Okay, they maintain your personality. They also maintain your. They also maintain what your behavior. Next is they also helps in controlling emotions. Okay, personality, how you like behave, you can say, how you represent yourself in front of others, so that reflects your personality. Next is your behavior, means how you behave in front of others. The frontal lobes helps you in that. Your emotions. Next is judgment. You are able to judge something like moral values, you can say, whether it's good or bad, right or wrong. You're conscious, you can say. So this judgment, you are able to give your point of view, you can say, means you're able to reason something because of what? Because of this frontal lobe. Okay, next is what? Planning. You're able to plan something. You are able to plan something with the help of this frontal lobe. Next is what? Next is problem solving. You're able to solve problem. Okay, you are able to solve various kinds of problems because of what? Because of this frontal lobe. Next is speech. Okay, you are able to speak something, you are able to write something, which is in your Broca's area. You remember, no? I showed you in the last class, Broca's area. So you are able to uh, do all these things like speaking as well as writing with the help of this frontal lobe. Next is you are able to move your body with the help of frontal lobe. Next is intelligent concentration, self-awareness. Intelligence like knowledge, you can say. Okay. Next is concentration. You are able to concentrate something in something like with the help of this frontal lobe. Next is self-awareness. You are aware of something. Okay, like something will happen or something might happen in your future. So all this are possible because of the frontal lobe. Okay, is it clear, everyone, about the frontal lobe? Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Broca's area is here. Okay, here in this area. This Broca's area helps you in what? Speaking as well as writing. Okay. Coherent speech means what? Coherent speech means like you are able to understand. You are able to understand with the situation. You can say. Okay, whatever like you speak, you will be able to continue this speech which you are speaking. Okay, not meaningless. It means all those meaningful sentence, whatever you speak. So you are able to speak because of this Broca's area, which is in your Broca's area, that is in your frontal lobe. Is it clear now?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, are you clear about the frontal lobe? I guess it's clear.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, Prakriti Rai. Oh, sorry, not Prakriti. Which person? Can you hear me? Which person?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you tell me the function of frontal lobe?
Personal behavior, emotion, judgment, planning, problem solving, speech, speaking and writing, body
Okay,
movement, concentration, self-awareness.
okay, okay, good. Okay, today I will stop here till the frontal lobe. In the next class, I will revise as well as like I will ask you, just like I have asked you now, no? So I will continue like that in the next class also. Okay, so for today it's
Okay,
over.
ma'am.
Okay, again you'll be having afternoon class also you have, no? My class. So you'll have, so you have it.